Okay, all right. Good morning, people. It's 9 a.m. I don't know why I act like it's so early. I'm sure most people wake up earlier than this, but today we are going to be wrapping the Widebody BRZ for SEMA with Justin here at Jack Spec. He goes by Justawrap if you guys want to find his Instagram. But yeah, today we will be revealing the color and having the whole car done in this video. Should be a little bit of a lengthy video, but it will all be done by the time you guys are done watching this video. Currently waiting on Justin right now. He said he's running a few minutes late. But once he gets here, we'll pull the car in, probably disassemble. We'll listen to his whole game plan. But yeah, super excited to see this car in one color. I don't know what to expect, and I hope you guys like the color we went with. It's actually a lot more subtle than the last color we had on this car. The kind of goal with the SEMA build was to show more of a maturity with the car, going from stock body to wide body, going from the flashy color to this new color, and then going from this monoblock wheel to the three-piece wheel. It should really resemble that like growth, but within the channel, the build, and me in general. So hope you guys like it, and let's wait till Justin gets here. There he is. That's your boy Justawrap. He debeated yesterday, but he's got his extra wheel on there just for some safety. This is a green chrome Accord. It's pretty cool. I like it. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Damn.
Yeah, don't mind my one different one.
No, I already explained to the camera. It's okay.
Oh, did you?
You're good.
Yeah, too bad.
I haven't been here in a minute. Look at this. Justin has a spot open just for the car. How does it look? Oh.
You see the color?
Yikes. I got my shoe, guys.
Oh no. Oh shoot.
Let's see it. All right, boys. We're finally in the wrap shop. And here's the wrap box that weighs too much. Tinybotvinyl has been all over social media lately. Whether you've heard good or bad things, they have a lot of good options out there. And we have Tinybotvinyl carbon on the roof and hood, and that's held up pretty well. So we are not hesitating with this one. We are going to go ahead and hop into the color reveal.
And you roll it open.
Unroll the whole sheet across the front.
Yeah. It's white.
It's white. Damn, that's dark.
What is it called?
Midnight green? Midnight Bonzo?
Gloss. What was that? Slate green?
I don't remember. Really?
Wow, that's a dark green.
Yoicks. It almost looks...
That looks like black.
It almost looks black. It does show a nice maturity. Let's see the green in the sun.
In the sun?
Shit, it's still black.
It looks black.
Oh,
That's a very midnight green. This is gonna be, it's pretty cool.
we were worried it was gonna be too dark, and now that I'm seeing it, it's a little too dark.
Yeah.
But hopefully it looks good on the car. I mean, we have quite a bit of accents that should bring it out.
The longer I look at it, the less I can see the color in it.
Yeah, for
I
real.
know, it's weird. I can see it. No, I can't. Maybe when it's on the car.
Yeah, maybe when it's, on a bigger area of the car, you'll see it more.
All right, guys,
Yeah.
we're very iffy right now, but we don't have a choice. We have to full send. It's like, what, less than 2 weeks now? No, actually, Soupy Fest is next Saturday. So. The question is, do I run a badge for SEMA or no? Because while it's at the body shop, they could fill those holes. Huh.
Badgeless.
I know,
Full car
it's
badgeless.
dummy clean. Because
The front already doesn't have badge.
the trunk is literally going to a body shop to get these holes filled. What's two more gonna do?
I'd run a badgeless.
That's clean. I think I will. So now that we have everything disassembled, we're gonna have to take out the bags, the seats, what else? The wheels, the exhaust, just so the wrap can like really lay into those grooves. We're gonna go put it on the lift over there. Oh, actually, first we have to remove the motor before we remove the bags.
I was trying not to laugh when he was being serious.
Allegedly, I should be seeing a trunk with no badge and the wing holes filled. So let's see what we're working with here. Okay, so the holes are still there, but I think they're re-drilled to fit the new wing. That's gonna be cool.
Check out
That's right in pretty good. You wanna go?
Like it in there? Yeah. I got the seat belt working. You need to test out your seat. Make sure you like your side.
Can I go back? I guess.
You don't like it?
Huh?
You don't like it?
I love it.
That's not what she said on camera, is it? You like the shift knob?
Huh? Oh yeah.
Much nicer than the stock one. How's it going, Trey?
You know, master teching it is.
Bling. Bling. Bling, bling. Still black.
Yeah, it's a bit smudgy right now.
See, it's the shadows that. Yeah, I knew the shadows are black, but like when it's
Oh yeah, from right here. Oh my god.
the shadows look black, but it see it has that shifty effect.
So, headlight. Good.
Yeah.
It's just because of the angle. I think it's going against the metal.
You gonna take the tape off?
Yeah. Move lined up so I can put it in.
Okay.
That one I might just get like different screws. It'll be okay though.
That's good.
Justin, come here, bro. Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Dang, that's crazy. No, that's too big. That's too big. I get it. Bro, that's on the YouTube. What?
Trying.
Justin's gonna be your thumbnail.
Okay. Oh, dang. Oh, that's pretty crazy. That looks pretty good.
What's up, Brandon? Lisa brought me boba. Quick update. The trunk got back from the body shop from Dayland, whatever. But he did our trunk here. He actually did it literally like 2 hours after we dropped it off. He got it done really fast, and he drilled the holes for the new wing that we're gonna be putting on today as well. And Justin, this is the last piece for Justin to wrap, so it should be really nice once we get that big wing on here and get this wrap finished. Do you want to tell them what you're gonna do, what the plan is for the wrap on this?
Yeah, so we already have a carbon look on this car. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna carbon, and then green for the duckbill, and then we're gonna carbon again. So it's gonna look like carbon trunk with a the wrap matched duckbill, and then we're putting the carbon duckbill STI piece on top.
Yeah,
right?
this duckbill we're gonna put on.
Yeah, we're gonna put on, and then it's gonna be the giant wing on top, the big wing on top. So that way it's not too much carbon going on. So we decided to kind of break it up a little bit. Yeah, it's crazy.
Oh, well, my air suspension tank, you're supposed to like drain the water out of it every once in a while. And being the immature idiot I am, I let it like fill up like an ocean in there, I think. I don't know how much is in there, but Justin's about to find out. He's about to drain all the water.
Oh no, he got that! Bruh. That's it. Oh good, look at that water.
How much was it?
About this much.
Nice.
It's like a different color section.
So it does shift?
It's black and green.
It has like a pinkish in it. Yeah.
Wow. So it has different color besides. Yeah, it looks like pink in it. No?
Yeah.
Actually, the seat looks really crazy.
Yeah, it looks better in here than
It looks way better in here than the Civic.
I love it.
Well, just seeing like
It looks so expensive.
yeah.
You look at the car, it's like expensive.
I'll throw this away. What's up, Brandon? Welcome to YouTube. Okay, I'm retarded.
We all know.
That National Geographic right there.
The end blades on this is nuts. Yeah, it's literally like the Star Wars. Hello, we are installing this wing. I'm the worst at telling you guys what's going on. But we're installing the Adro wing today because the body shop we took the trunk to get the holes filled actually was kind enough to install it and put it all on.
Shout out to that guy.
Shout out, huge shout out to that guy. So we're gonna be friends with him. Abraham, great guy, great man.
Dude, damn.
There's no tape or anything on there, right?
Yeah, that looks.
$2,500 right here.
That looks. It came with that. It came with the kit.
Yep.
Oh, we have to wipe it down.
All right, how's it look, guys?
It looks good.
Yeah, that does
It looks really good.
Dude, it matches the Aero.
That's $2,000 we're going for.
It actually matched the bottom piece.
Yeah. Plus, I can go with the flow of the carbon fiber everywhere.
You should buy that. It looks good. Definitely.
It fits right here.
Kind of scared.
Dude, you must lift or something.
Wait, do it again.
What?
I'm like here, like.
That's crazy.
Just fun.
Dang, dude, that's so crazy.
But you can literally carry it with one finger. I'm not gonna do it.
I'm not gonna pay two grand when I have like $30 on my bank account right now.
Eventually, if these holes line up or not.
Okay.
No, I don't.
Yeah, Alex, but you have to move it forward.
Yeah, I'm about to break this shit.
End plates on like most carbon fiber wings are like just flat, or like they just go like that. But like this one is like in. Yeah, and then it's also like, look at how it's like done too.
Yeah, I like it.
Well, hold on now.
Dude, this trunk is like, oh my god.
It's very noisy back here.
Yeah.
Dude, B11. Maybe you should get some rest.
I'm hungry.
Maybe you should get some rest.
Safe. Walking funny. Safe.
Definitely looking fucking.
Don't let our YouTuber die.
I need to stop.
Where's my license plate? It's quite beautiful, but I'm so hungry, sleep deprived, and gonna be pulling all-nighters for like the next 3 days to get these videos out to you guys on time.
You won't be able to drive to Vegas.
And we're gonna have to like, we're doing parts on parts every day, and then we're heading to Vegas. And my dumbass thought it'd be a good idea to throw a meet the night we're leaving, so I'm gonna be even more tired.
Where?
The Durbin Plaza.
No, I was thinking of him having the headlights for when he drives down the same.
It looks really good. I like it. Yeah. I was scared the color was gonna be too dark, but it looks really good.
Dude, we haven't even seen the whole car in the sun.
I know, we haven't seen the car in the sun. Next video, you guys will see it with all the carbon pieces on, but the full wrap is done. I'm sure some of you guys are upset that it's dark, but compared to the previous wrap, I think this is very nicely toned. It looks really good with the carbon accents and everything. We're gonna take this to some better lighting at Chipotle, where we originally filmed some clips of the car when we finished the body kit. So now you see it in one color. Let go. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome back. We outside. Car came out absolutely beautiful. I'm really happy with how that came out. Kind of gives me Green Arrow vibes. I don't know if any of you guys have watched the Aero, but I love that TV show. Might do something Green Arrow themed for the trunk setup with the air suspension, but looks really good. I mean, we don't even have the wheels on, or the carbon body kit, or the vinyl that we're going to be putting on soon. Or the carbon hood, but we are going to be doing all that pretty soon, and we're pretty happy with how the car came out. Like, the wrap is all done. Justin, how was it wrapping the car?
Not gonna lie, it was okay, but the hardest part was probably that front bumper. That was pretty rough. It took about, like 2-ish days? Nah, maybe not like exactly 2.
It took 2 days.
Yeah, about 2 days, because one day for fully like for inlays, and then the other day for like just the main piece, and then also finishing up everything too, like some overlays and all that too. But honestly, thing looks pretty good, as subtle as it is, but it is pretty nice. So it did come out nice. I have no complaints about the Tinybotvinyl. It's a great film to work with, and not only that, I mean, it's got a pretty good gloss on it. Even though it is orange peely, it's not a PET liner, but it is nice. So yeah, they got a nice selection, so check them out too. Yeah.
Yeah, I was scared the color was going to be too dark, but I actually really like that it's dark. It's a lot more subtle and mature than the last color was, and I like it. Do you like it? She likes it. Do you like it? Fuck you. There you go.
Damn! Damn!
I worked on the car, I can take it apart.
That's messed up.
I worked on the car, so I can take it apart.
Okay, guys, we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Why'd you do that?
Be sure to like, comment, subscribe.
And never stop dreaming.